The HB High Performance Grip Plug. Now, we've all seen grip plugs for years. They have traditionally been a compression tool, and they have traditionally had a range of bolts on the front that needed to be tightened in a torquing pattern to compress the seal evenly. Much like the IWT, the HB grip plug is different. It is a self-centering tool. Up to 12 inches, it's one self-centering nut, so it's really easy to install. And because it's a self-centering single shaft tool, it expands evenly in one activation without the need for a cross-bolting pattern like traditional grip tools. So that's the first thing that's uniquely different. The second thing about the HB grip plug is it incorporates the same pressure energizing nature that we spoke about in the IWT tool. We use the self-centering nut to use an initial compression on the seal, but inside of the tool, again, it has a pressure energized plate so that as hydrostatic pressure hits the end of the tool, it transfers that hydrostatic load to compress the seal and to activate the grips. And so the higher the pressure on the hydrostatic test, the more rubber pressure is created in the seal, and the more grip is created on the grips so that the tool will not be expelled from the pipe because of a flawed installation. The tool is always responding both with its seal and its grip to the end pressure of the hydrostatic pressure. So as the hydrostatic pressure is increasing, the tool is getting tighter and grabbing more, making it a safe tool and a high performance tool relative to full system tests.